What if I told you that you could make a full-time income on YouTube without ever showing your face, using Canva, and in pajamas that haven't seen daylight since 2020? Yeah, you could be silently crushing it on YouTube while eating cereal straight from the box. Real quick, can you do me a tiny favor? Smash that subscribe button like it just spoiled your favorite show, and slap that notification bell like it owes you rent. I'm dropping free videos every single day packed with value, laughs, and stuff you won't find anywhere else. And believe me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Alright, enough small talk. Let's dive straight into the good stuff. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to start making money in 2025 with Canva by creating faceless YouTube videos. And don't worry, even if your design skills are stuck in clip art mode, or the last time you edited something was your MySpace profile, this is still for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step game plan to turn your Canva projects into a real income stream, or at least something that covers your coffee addiction, or your dog subscription box. Stick around because I'll be dropping a lesser-known hack that might just change the game for you faster than your Wi-Fi cuts out on Zoom. Whether you want to be a full-time creator or earn some guilt-free weekend pizza money, this video covers you. Alright, let's address the digital elephant in the room. YouTube is huge, like 2 billion monthly users huge. That is 1 in every 4 people on Earth watching cat videos and conspiracy theories about how birds aren't T-real. It is not just for vloggers anymore, or people who want to film their lunch while whispering mukbang into the void. In fact, some of the most successful channels don't even show a face, not even a chin. Nada. They're crushing it with faceless content. And the best part? Many are using Canva. Yes, Canva. That drag and drop tool your cousin used to make her wedding invites, and that you used once to design a flyer for a garage sale that no one came to. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1, what the heck is a faceless YouTube video? Think of it like this. Imagine explaining your favorite topic, but instead of pointing at a camera and trying to look awake, you use cool visuals, animations, voiceovers, and text. Boom, no awkward eye contact required. No need to clean your room, find decent lighting, or question your life choices at 2 a.m. while editing. You've seen these before. Explainer videos, top 10 lists, animated how-tos. These videos do all the storytelling without any faces, just vibes. Take the infographics show. They break down everything from World War II to why you dream about falling into a pit of marshmallows. 0 faces, just crisp visuals and clear narration. Or top 10 archive. They serve up listicles with slick animation and juicy facts. Again, not a single person on screen. These videos are like the introverts of YouTube, quietly winning, avoiding eye contact, and cashing checks. And the kicker? You can make these entirely in Canva. Whether your topic is science, self-improvement, true crime, or 10 reasons why cats secretly run society, Canva can help you package it like a pro. Step 2, crafting killer intros, outros, and animations in Canva. Your intro is your first impression. It's the digital equivalent of a firm handshake, except you don't have to wear pants. With Canva's massive library of templates, you can create slick intros without needing a Hollywood budget or a MacBook that sounds like a jet engine when rendering. Say you're launching a productivity channel. You can pick a sleek animated logo, throw in some bouncy text that says "Get More Done," and pair it with a stock video of someone looking dramatically at a planner like it's the final boss. Outros, also Canva magic. Remind your viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell like it owes them money. And you can animate those icons to bounce, spin, or do the cha-cha, because why not? Keep your branding consistent. If your vibe is mint green and minimalist fonts, don't suddenly switch to neon pink and Comic Sans. It's like going from a chill lo-fi playlist to dubstep mid-meditation. Jarring. Stick to a recognizable color scheme, font family, and style. Viewers should spot your video on their homepage and go, "Oh hey, it's that cool Canva person again." Step 3, designing thumbnails that scream "click me." Let's be real, your thumbnail is your video's Tinder profile. If it's unclear, blurry, or boring, people will swipe left in under a second. Canva makes it super easy to create scroll-stopping thumbnails, even if you are more of a stick figure sketcher than a graphic designer. For example, if your video is how to save money fast, use bold, urgent text like "Save 1K this month" in huge, readable font. Pair it with an image of a piggy bank sweating or someone looking at their empty wallet like it just insulted their mother. Use the 5-second rule. If someone can't figure out what your video is about in under 5 seconds, it's too complicated. Think big, bold, simple. You're not painting the Mona Lisa, you're making a billboard for a YouTube clip. Channels like Watch Mojo and Top 5 Best follow a consistent formula. Large titles, expressive imagery, and contrast-heavy colors. That's why their thumbnails pop, even from space. Step 4, building the actual video in Canva, where the magic happens. Okay, now the fun part. You've got your intro, outro, and thumbnail. Let's build the entire video without ever picking up a camera. Stock footage, no camera, no problem. Canva's video library is a goldmine. Seriously, you'll find everything from woman joyfully typing to man dramatically looking at whiteboard like he is solving the meaning of life. For a productivity video, show clips of someone working on a laptop, checking their planner, or sipping coffee like it's their final form. Text and animation. Canva lets you animate text in fun ways. Make it bounce, zoom, fade in, or do a little disco entrance. Use this to add flair to your points, emphasize quotes, or keep viewers engaged. Top 10 video, animate each number. Give them a bam like you're counting down to a rocket launch. Don't cram your entire script onto one screen. Your audience signed up for a video, not a speed reading competition. Music and sound effects. Sound sets the tone. Canva's built-in library includes everything from corporate background beats to lo-fi vibes and suspenseful strings. Choose something that matches the mood. Doing a budgeting video, go with chill or motivational tracks. Doing a weird internet facts video, try quirky tunes with a sprinkle of wait, what did I just hear? Voiceover. You don't need Morgan Freeman's voice to win. Record your own narration, even if it's in your closet under a pile of hoodies for soundproofing. Or use text-to-speech tools if you'd rather not talk at all. Simple History uses Canva-style animation, clear narration, and no faces, yet they pull in millions of views. You can absolutely recreate that style from your bedroom. Hoodie Ford optional. Step 5, making money from your Faceless channel, the fun part. Now let's talk moolah. Here's how to turn views into actual income. Ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. It won't buy you a yacht, but it'll buy your caffeine habit and maybe a new hoodie. Affiliate marketing. Promote tools you already use, like Canva. Drop your affiliate link in the description. Every time someone signs up through it, you get a little thank you payment. Make a video like best tools I use to make Faceless YouTube videos and link to all your faves. No sleaze required. Sponsorships. Once you grow, brands might reach out. If you have a channel about frugal living and a budgeting app wants to pay you, boom, sponsorship. Just keep it relevant. Don't be the minimalist YouTuber pushing luxury handbags. Confused audience goes unsubscribes. Digital products. Sell Canva templates, Notion dashboards, video scripts, or even a course. If people like your stuff, they'll pay to get behind the scenes. Look at creators like Ali Abdaal or Aaron On Demand. They turn their content into full-blown businesses with digital products. Step 6, the reality check. Consistency beats everything. Let's be honest, you are probably not going viral with your first video, unless a cat falls on your keyboard mid-recording and types out a budget that actually makes sense. But here's the deal, consistency is the cheat code. Treat YouTube like a gym. You don't get abs from one crunch. You get there from showing up consistently, even when your motivation is on vacation. Start simple. Upload once a week. Track what works. Improve a little each time. It's a marathon, not a microwave. Marques Brownlee started with webcam reviews in his bedroom. Now he's reviewing Teslas and talking to Elon Musk. Peter McKinnon uploaded for years before breaking through. Overnight success usually takes years and a good Wi-Fi connection. Experiment. Try different formats. Compare a 5-minute listicle to a deep dive documentary. Test funny versus serious. Your audience will vote with views and comments. And don't forget to listen. Well, the YouTube algorithm is basically your analytics whisperer, telling you what's working. Follow the data like it's Google Maps for your content. One day, you'll refresh your analytics and realize, wait, people are watching. This is actually working. You'll see your subs ticking up, views climbing, and random strangers calling you helpful in the comments. That's when it hits. You're not trying YouTube anymore. You're a creator now. And the best part? You did it without ever showing your face or changing out of your pajamas. Let's wrap this up like a burrito stuffed with passive income and thumbnail tips. Using Canva to create faceless YouTube videos is one of the easiest, most beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2025. You don't need to be a pro designer or have a fancy camera crew. You only need creativity, consistency, and maybe a sense of humor. You're not just building videos, you're building a brand, a business, and maybe even a lifestyle where your biggest commute is from bed to desk. If you're ready to level up and build your audience fast, click on the next video, where I show you how to actually grow and monetize your faceless channel like a pro. If you had even half as much fun watching this as I did making it, smash that thumbs up button like it's a vending machine that ate your last dollar. Seriously, take out your frustration on that like button. We both win. And don't just lurk, subscribe. Hit that thing like it's the elevator close button and you see your ex walking up. I drop new videos every single day, packed with weirdly useful tips on how to grow your faceless YouTube channel with AI, build passive income streams, and basically level up your life from May to wait, am I the main character now? Also, I actually read the comments. Yes, even the ones that sound like they were written by a sleep-deprived raccoon. So drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, ideas, or just say hi so we can keep this thing going. And hey, don't stop here. That next video on your screen, that's where I spill even more secrets to turning your channel into a legit YouTube empire. Go hit play. Your future self is already high-fiving you.